Introducing people.
Hi, you must be John's cousin Peter, right? From New York.
Correct. I just got in last night.
I'm Angie, John's friend from Tech. Glad to meet you. I can assure you that I'm not anything like what John has told you.
I'm happy to meet you, too. And yes, I have heard about you. Tennis player and party animal extraordinaire.
Tennis, yes, and as a matter of fact, I do like parties. But tell me more about you and what you do in New York.
Well, I'm more a surfer than a football player. I prefer the coast and surf all day.
That sounds awesome. How long are you staying?
Well, I'll be here for 2 weeks. John has promised me a non-stop schedule. Kind of a mix of sightseeing, meeting his friends, and checking out the local scene.
John's a good guy and you can be sure he knows the local scene. He knows everybody in town. I'm sure he'll show you a good time. And his friends are here to help.
Thanks so much. I really appreciate that. I'm still a bit jet-lagged at the moment, but should be in good shape by tomorrow. I'm looking forward to know what John has in store for me.
Don't worry. We'll all take good care of you. And you don't be surprised if we show up on your doorstep in New York one day.
Listen and repeat.
I'm Angie, John's friend from Tech. Glad to meet you.
I'm Mary Johnson. This is Peter Parker. These are my friends Mary and Peter. I'm happy to meet you. I'm glad to meet you. It's nice to meet you.
Tennis, yes, and as a matter of fact, I do like parties.
I heard you were looking for a job.
As a matter of fact, I am.
John's a good guy and you can be sure he knows the local scene.
I can assure you that I will work hard. You can be sure that something interesting will happen. Please like and subscribe.